Hey everybody, Michael deMeng here. I just wanted to let you know that very soon, at the end of September, I will be bringing myself and a bunch of my art, which is back here, to Penticton, BC for my Mythologizing the Mundane show. And this is at the Penticton Arts Council Gallery at the Lear House, and it should be a lot of fun. You get to see a lot of my artwork. And basically what I do is I take a bunch of found objects, mush it all together, do some painting, and create these weird, bizarre things. Now, as a bonus, I'm doing a in-person class up there. We're basically taking everyday cereal boxes and making Boxzillas with 3D action. Woo! So if you ever wanted to know what to do with some old cereal boxes, I have the answer. So regardless if you're going to take a workshop, if you want to see some of my art, come on up there. Come in the end of September, and I hope to see you there. All right. Ciao!